Hi for everybody and welcome to my channel, the Ayurveda, the Veda of Life. And today we are going to discuss about the Pitta and Kapha Prakopa. In previous video I have already uploaded that Vata Prakopa, Lakshanas and Vata Prakopa. And what are the Karanas by which the Pitta is going to increase or going to attain the Prakopa Vasta? Firstly Gunas. What are the Gunas? Tikshna, Sara, Ushna, Drava, Laghu and Sneha. The equal qualities possessed by the Pitta dosha when we take excessively, even though we are having the Pitta Dushana in our body, then it will cause the Pitta Prakopa. And what are the rasas? Katu, Amla and Lavana. And what is the Mahabhuta Adhikyata Dravya are going to cause the Pitta Prakopa or Teja Mahabhuta Adhikyata. For example, when we eat excessive chili and Katu Gunatmaka, that is so spicy items, then it will cause the Pitta Prakopa. And Ahara Janidhana, and what are the kinds of different types of food which causes the Pitta Prakopa are Vidahi Annapana, the one which causes the Vidaha, the burning sensation in the body or excessive spicy items when we consume, that will cause the Pitta Prakopa. And Kulata, that is Hurlikalu, horse gram, when we taken in excessive quantity, it will also cause the Pitta Prakopa. And Masha, when we take in excessive, it will also cause the Pitta Prakopa, and many more are there like this. And Vihara Janidana, in what and all the our viharas, the acharanas we done by which the Pitta is going to increase or Prakopa, those are Tikshna Atapa Sevana, that is exposing the body to the Tikshna sun rays, hot sun rays in midday like conditions in summer, and in Maithuna and Upavasa also causes the Pitta Prakopa. And Manasika Nidhanas, Krodha is the main Karana for the Pitta Prakopa, Pitta increase or any kind of the disorders which are due to the Pitta Prakopa or Pittaja disorders, what and all are there. The main basic Manasika Nidhana is nothing but the Krodha, that is angry is the main reason for a Pitta Prakopa. And in which Rutu the Pitta is going to attain the Prakopa Vasta? In Sharat Rutu, when it comes to the time, Madhyana, Madhyaratri, Bhukta Madhye, the Pitta is going to increase. And what are the Lakshanas of Pitta Prakopa? Pittasya Ragoshma Pakitaha, Kotam, Sadhanam, Murchanam, Madaha, Svedaha, Kledaha, Srutihi, Katukamlaihi, Rasaihi, Varnaha, Pandura Varnataha. So, when a body attains the Pitta Prakopa Vasta, it will causes in the body, the Pitta Prakopa Vasta causes Ragoshma Pakita, that is burning sensation in the body everywhere, and mainly burning sensation in the body everywhere, and mouth ulcers, the stomatitis going to happen, and Kota, Sadhana, Murchana, Mada, when the excessive burning sensation is going to take place, the hot flashes will comes, and by which the person going to lose his consciousness, and Mada is be like a hallucinative he will be, and Svedaha, excessive sweating he used to have, and Kleda, there will be a Kledatva in a body, and Katu Kamla Sruti, that is the Udgaras, the belching actions what the person will get, it will be in the Katu and Amla taste, and Varna, the body discolored as a Pandura Varnita, that is pale yellow color he is going to turn out. And what are the disorders due to the Pitta Prakopa? And we all know the leading industry, that is cosmetic industry, any kind of a skin disorders is mainly due to the Pitta Prakopa, because Pitta is mainly Pitta gives the Prabha and Varna for a body. So when it hampered, it will causes the various disorders pertaining to the skin. And skin disorders, we can, in broad spectrum, in Ayurveda, single word for that, all the dermatologic conditions, we used to call it as a Kushta only. And arthritis and Prameha and Raktavamana is going to takes place, like hemoptysis, hematemesis, MSS is going to takes place. Next comes the Kapha Prakopa. So what are the Nidhanas, the Karanas for the Kapha Prakopa are Guna are Snigdha, Manda, Shita, Slakshna, Guru and Sthira. So what are the qualities are they which are heavy for a body to digest are nothing but the kapha prakopa gunas. And rasas are madura, amla, lavana. And mahabhuta is Apa and Prithvi Mahabhuta. And Aharaja Nidhanas, Snigdha Bhojana, Abhishandi Bhojana, Kadali Phala and Dadi is going to cause a Kapha Prakopa. Because Snigdha Bhojana and Abhishandi Bhojana causes the Srotavarodha, by which the Kapha is going to increase in the body, and Kadali Phala is considered as the Abhishandi only, and Dadi is also main reason for the Kapha Prakopa. And Viharaja Nidhana, Asya Sukha, not doing any work and having the sedentary lifestyle, and Diva Swapna, day sleep, and getting awakened at too late at the day, like 10 o'clock Surya Vamshajas, and Sukha Chirna, that is when we eat, we will sit, we will sleep, like that. Sedentary lifestyle, nothing but. And Ati Brahmana, eating excessively the Sneha Yukta Dravyas. Manasika Nidana is Achinta. The Kapha Prakopa person always not going to think anything of that life. Like he will be okay with all the things like that. And how the Lakshanas will be there? Ati Snigdhata in the Sharira, because Snigdha Gunadikyata will be there. And Kandu, the main Pratyatma Lakshana of a Kapha increased in the body is nothing but the Kandu. When there is a Kandu or a itching in the body, wherever it may be, it is due to the Kapha Prakopavastha. And Gauravata in the body, Bandhopalepa, that is the coating over the organs, because of the Kledatva is increases by the Kapha Prakopavastha. By that there will be a coating of the organs or a joints and all. Shota will be there, that is edema. And Apakti, there will be indigestion. Ati Nidrata, because Kapha is nothing but the Nidra, and when it is in Prakopavastha, then there will be the Ati Nidrata. And Shaityata and Shvaityata in the body will be there. That is, what is discoloration of the body, and the coldness in the body will be present. And what are the disorders? Mainly when we come to the Kapha Prakopavastha, mainly the obesity is going to take place. Other than that, many disorders are there, like maybe any Vyadis which is predominated by the Kapha is going to take place.